नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, एचओडी ऑफ मैट्रिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today I am teaching you Clematis erecta medicine in Materia Medica practical session. This medicine is a wonderful effect in male genitalia, urinary complaints, skin complaints, and mouth complaints. So we can use this medicine in clinics homeopathically very effective in cases of male genitalia problems. First of all, we will discuss toothache problem. In toothache, this medicine have pain in teeth relieved by holding cold water. The symptom is also found in the coffea medicine, and so many medicines are useful in that symptom like bryonia, bismuth, Ferromet, pulsatilla, etc. Leading medicines are these medicines. So we can use it in toothache with the help of compare and contrast with all these medicines. Its common name is Virgin's bower. Virgin's bower means this plant is goes upside or and spread all the area so that it look like a canopy or tent. So erecting is a symptom of that plant as a doctrine. We can take it as a doctrine so that its name is Clematis erecta or erect clematis. This medicine has some syphilitic or psychotic origins, mainly so that we can say this medicine is a psychosyphilitic tendencies like inflammation of glands or tendency of induration of glands and some ulcerative tendencies or vesicular eruption tendencies like herpes, etc. In the skin disease, there is a marked skin rashes or skin ailments symptom that is relieved by washing. Oh, sorry, aggravate by washing. So all the skin infections, especially herpes or vesicular eruptions, aggravate by washing or after wash. This symptom is also found in the sepia and sulfur. So three medicines are very useful: aggravation after washing, sulfur, sepia, and clematis. Vesicular eruptions with great itching, stinging, crawling, etc. Eruptions aggravate by cold application. Eruptions of vesicular origin with yellowish fluid with induration closely related to the herpes and eczema. Later on, there is some ulceration with discharges having burning and smarting, pain, inflammation, etc. This medicine also have ulcers in the eye region and aggravation from closing the eyes. The symptom is aggravation from closing eyes. Symptom is burning pain, stinging, and smarting. So in the iris inflammation with dim vision, we can give this medicine. Because of syphilitic origin, all pains are aggravated in the night so that there is a night aggravation factor and aggravation from warmth of bed and wow. Now the main leading system of this medicine is male genitalia. It is frequently useful in male cases in the clinics. In male genitalia, there is a tendency of induration of testicle glands. That's why it is useful in the in the cases of testicle atrophy, glandular indurations, and orchitis. It may be useful in hydrocele, especially to the right side. This medicine is predominantly act on the right side, very less used in the left side. If you want to use in left side, you can pick ranunculus, rhododendron, sorry, rhododendron medicine. That medicine is useful in left orchitis. Clematis is useful in the right orchitis. If you want to use on the both sides, you can pick spongia medicine. If you want to use pulsatilla, there may be history of mumps. If you want clematis, there is a history of gonorrhea or maltreated gonorrhea. If you want to use thuja, there is a growth and gonorrhea history also. So this is the differentiation of male genitalia symptoms. It is useful in swelling in the groin region. Glands are indurated with serous hardness connected with the suppressed gonorrhea and rheumatism. Hard and fibrous cyst is present in the scrotal sac. Pain and swelling of the right spermatic cord. Pain aggravated in the night by walking, warmth of bed, etc. These symptoms are also found with the urinary troubles. Urine have gonorrheal history and urinary system have gonorrhea history that that also causes uremic troubles after the maltreated gonorrhea. The orchitis, pain and swelling present and having ilioscrotal neuralgia of right side. In the urinary section, there is much trouble in the bladder, constant urging, painful tenesmus, and it seems as if urinary bladder is full and there is causing some force to urinate, but there's so much pain in the urinary channel. That's why urination is very slow and feeble. Because of the smallness of urethra, there is so much pain. The smallness represent the stricture of urethra, so that this medicine is helpful in the stricture urethra. And having feeling of canal and canal is closed, so that there is pressure during urination. This medicine is helpful for re-establishing the flow of urine and easy evacuation. So it also helpful in the stricture urethra treatment. Patient can't empty the bladder, feels as if there was a little more and dribbling. At the beginning of urination, there is a burning. While urinating, it feels sticks in the urethra. And after urination, still continues burning. If there is a maltreated gonorrhea, there seems some pus in the urine, and that is very thick, or it may be with gonorrhea symptoms, or we can say it is a sequel of gonorrhea. The intermittent flow of urination is a key symptom of urine system. It is also useful in the female glandular system, so that there is some cyst in the left breast, hard and stony, thickness, glandular, redness, inflamed, and painful. The rheumatism, there is twitching of muscles and electric shock like pain. It is also useful in the right facial neuralgia relieved by holding cold water. So this medicine is helpful in the sleeplessness in the night with the great sleepiness in the daytime due to urinary and male genitalia symptom. There is disturbance in the sleep. So psychosyphilitic remedy, we can say this is a psychosyphilitic remedy. There is some ulcerations, growth, induration, pus formations, night aggravation, burning pains, etc. These are some compare and contrast and PQRS of that medicine. I hope you can understand well by reading. If you have any doubt, please ask me on the problem solving day. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayati Vidyapeeth, Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it on problem solving day. Thank you.